Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the main features of an excellent free maths website called BBC Bitesize and how it can be used to help your child with their maths. BBC Bitesize is targeted at key stages 1 to 4, so that's year 1 to 11, so that's ages 3 to 16. If you Google BBC Bitesize and click onto the website, it'll appear as it does on the screen at the moment. So if we take a look at the primary section first of all, so I'm just going to click on go to primary, and I go to school in England. That's already highlighted, and you can see that the so this is key stages 1 and 2. It's divided into the 6 year groups from year 1 to year 6. So if we just take a look at year 3 as an example, we've got all of the key stage 2 subjects displayed. So obviously this is a really good website for all subjects. So if we're just going to concentrate on maths, obviously, so I'll click on the maths page. And I'm just going to scroll down. So we have a game there that you could play. And then below that we have all the different topics that are studied in year 3. So I'm just going to select adding and subtracting just to show you how everything's set out on this website. So if we click on adding and subtracting, we're told here that for adding and subtracting there are 3 learner guides and 27 classroom videos. So lots of resources here. The learner guides, if I just click on the first one here, what is column addition? And what you get here are a mixture of videos explaining how to add using the column method with some notes and some examples for you to try as well. Okay, so there's the video at the top and then there's some notes. And this here, if I just click on this first one, this is just one for you to try yourself. So if I just clicked on that, so you can just drag the answers into the different places there. So if I just click on that and then just put the 1 in there. So 6 add 5 is 11. So I'll put the 1 in the ones column and I want to carry the 1, 10 across to the tens column. So that's 5. 10s add 3 10s add 1 10 obviously makes 9 10s, so I need to then just find my 9, and if I just drag that in there, eventually gives the answer 91, and I can check to see whether I've got that right or not. Okay. Okay, and if you got the answer wrong, you could retry. Same again for the next one. So there's lots of different examples for you to try. Okay, if I just go back. So that's what the learner guides look like. So videos, notes, examples, 27 classroom videos as well, all on the topic of adding and subtracting whole numbers. And you can see the first one's on adding 100 and then adding near doubles, numbers greater than 20. So lots and lots of videos for you to watch. You can pause the videos as you go along and attempt the questions. So lots and lots of resources there, and it's the same for all of the groups for Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2. So I'm just going to go back to the first page. So that's the primary section. If we take a look at the secondary section, let's see how that's set out. So if we take a look at Key Stage England, Key Stage 3, years 7, 8 and 9 first of all. So I click on that. And again, all the subjects are displayed at Key Stage 3. I'm going to obviously select maths. And all the maths topics at Key Stage 3 are displayed. So I'm just going to select angles. And it's the same format as for Key Stages 1 and 2 in that you have a mixture of learner guides and videos. The one difference is the terminology here. So if we look at angles and triangles, it's called revise and test. So if we just click on angles and triangles. So for this particular topic, there's lots and lots of very clearly set out notes. Quite often they ask you questions as you work through those notes to check your understanding. So for this particular topic, there's 6 pages of notes and questions for you to work through. For the tests, if you click on test, these are multiple choice tests. And if I just look at this one, and I'm just going to randomly select some answers. So as we just go down page, I'm just going to click random answers. So there's normally 10 questions that they give you. And then once you've completed the 10 questions, you can check your score. So for this one, I just randomly selected answers, 4 out of 10. And for each incorrect answer, some notes on what the correct answer should have been. So excellent instant feedback that you can receive for that. And you've got the option to try again as well. So if you want to try that again, then you can do. Okay, so that's how the Key Stage 3 topics are set out. You've also got classroom videos as well as we did have for Key Stages 1 and 2. Not as many. It's more notes and tests at Key Stage 3 for you to work through. So if we go back to the main page again. So finally, for the GCSE section, I'm just going to click on GCSE. And all the GCSE subjects are there. So if we select maths again. Now, for this section, it's divided up into the different exam boards. So just choose the exam board that you're studying at GCSE. So if I just choose AQA, and we'll just scroll down here, and you've got all the different topics: number, algebra, ratio, proportional rates of change, geometry and measure, probability and statistics, all the problem solving, all the topics within those main topic areas. So if I just select fractions, and again, the way it's set out here, so we've got revise and test, so as it was with Key Stage 3, so lots and lots of notes and questions for you to attempt. You can see there's a question there. You can obviously have a go at that question, and if you click on reveal answer, it'll show you what the correct answer is. The tests are set out the same way, multiple choice, and you get instant feedback. Okay, so that's excellent source of revision. Okay, so that's basically what BBC Bitesize has to offer. So hopefully you've found this guide useful, and hopefully you'll find this website helps your child progress with their maths. If there's any issues or questions, then just make sure that your child speaks to their maths teacher. Thank you.